You've seen the headlines. Tech giants are betting everything on AI, promising a future of perfect efficiency. But there's a problem, a big one. A secret survey of business leaders reveals that over half of them, 55%, who replaced humans with AI, now regret it. So what went wrong? Why is the grand AI revolution causing so many massive, expensive failures? Let's rewind to 2017. Tesla, under Elon Musk, attempted one of the most ambitious automation projects ever, the machine that builds the machine. The goal was a near-totally robotic factory to build the Model 3. The goal was 5,000 cars a week, but the reality was major bottlenecks. But the reality was a fragile, broken system. Robots designed to place car seats would break down up to 5 times a day. The production line was chaos. The result? Tesla missed its production goals spectacularly and was pushed to the brink of bankruptcy. They had to do the unthinkable, bring humans back in. They set up a temporary human-staffed production line called the Sprung Project. And eventually, Elon Musk himself tweeted 2 simple words: humans are underrated. This was the first major clue. Pure automation creates incredible fragility. Then came the wave of AI in customer service. Companies like KLA replaced thousands of human agents with chatbots. They boasted that bots handled 2/3 of all interactions. KLA cut its workforce by 40%. But the data told a different story. Leaked internal reports showed problem-solving times increased by 27%. Unsatisfactory customer interactions skyrocketed by 35%. The AI was making huge mistakes, like incorrectly approving leave requests and giving terrible advice for internal conflicts. It became clear AI is good for simple, structured tasks, but it fails miserably at anything requiring context, nuance, or human judgment. As one executive later admitted, quality human support is the way of the future for us. The problem didn't stop there. Duolingo fired contractors to replace them with an AI-first system. The result? Lesson quality plummeted, with errors in up to 42% of some courses. User retention dropped by 18%. People were leaving because the AI-made content was just worse. Even Taco Bell had to roll back an automated voice ordering system after it kept messing up orders and billing. If you've ever been stuck in a chatbot death loop, you know exactly why this is failing. It turns out that the very thing that makes us human, our ability to understand context, to read between the lines, to show empathy, is the one thing you cannot automate. And when you try, the entire system breaks down. So why is this happening on such a massive scale? The data is brutally clear. An MIT analysis found that a staggering 95% of AI integrations failed to generate any significant results. 95%. The reasons? Insufficient planning, terrible data, and a complete lack of training for the employees left to manage these fragile systems. One small AI breakdown can halt an entire operation, while a human can adapt and fix the problem on the spot. This isn't just about broken robots or bad chatbots. This is a fundamental design flaw in the thinking itself. You can't build a resilient company on a fragile foundation. But here's the real twist, and the reason you should be optimistic. The solution isn't to abandon AI. It's to stop trying to replace humans and start augmenting them. Companies that use AI as a tool, not a replacement, are seeing incredible results. They report productivity boosts of up to 35% and major cost reductions. How? By letting AI handle the boring, repetitive analysis, while humans provide the oversight, creativity, and complex judgment that AI lacks. Think of it like this. AI is the incredibly powerful engine, but a human is still the driver. You wouldn't put a jet engine on a car without a steering wheel and expect it to get you safely to your destination. One survey found that 40% of workers using AI tools like ChatGPT save 1 to 5 hours per week. That's time they can spend on higher value work. The future isn't about humans or machines. It's about humans with machines. This is the great correction. The hype cycle is ending, and a new, more pragmatic era is beginning. The goal is no longer replacement, it's collaboration. The evidence is everywhere, from Tesla's factory floor to your frustrating customer service chat. Replacing humans with AI is creating more problems than it solves. The companies that will win the future are the ones that understand the real power lies in the partnership. What's your worst AI customer service story? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of what's really happening in tech, make sure to subscribe. The age of AI is just getting started, but the lesson is already clear. The most intelligent system of all is still a human in the loop. Thanks for watching.